Circuit training. It's like a symphony of movement, a harmonious blend of strength, endurance, and determination. Picture this: a room pulsating with energy, the sound of weights clinking, the hum of treadmills, the rhythm of heartbeats syncing in perfect unison. You start at Station 1, a set of dumbbells gleaming under the harsh gym lights. With each curl, you feel the burn in your biceps, the strain in your muscles pushing you to your limits. But you don't stop. You push through the discomfort, knowing that this is just the beginning. Next up, it's the battle ropes. The thick, heavy ropes snake through the air as you slam them down with all your might. Your heart races, your breath quickens, but you keep going. The sweat drips down your face, mingling with the determination that fuels your every move. As you move from station to station, the intensity builds. Lunges, squats, push-ups, each exercise pushing you further, testing your strength and endurance. But you don't falter. You dig deep, finding reserves of energy you never knew you had. The timer beeps, signaling the end of the circuit. You're exhausted, drenched in sweat, but a sense of accomplishment washes over you. You've pushed yourself beyond your limits, conquered each challenge with unwavering determination. And just when you think you can't go on, the instructor calls out for one final round. The room erupts in cheers and groans, but you square your shoulders and dive back in. This is where the magic happens, where you find out what you're truly made of. The last station is a rowing machine, the rhythmic sound of the oars cutting through the air. You push yourself harder, faster, the burn in your muscles almost unbearable. But you keep going, fueled by the adrenaline coursing through your veins. And then, it's over. The final buzzer sounds, and you collapse to the floor, spent but exhilarated. You've conquered the circuit, pushed yourself to the limit, and emerged victorious. As you catch your breath and wipe the sweat from your brow, you realize the true power of circuit training. It's not just about building strength or endurance. It's about pushing yourself beyond what you thought possible. It's about testing your limits and discovering the strength that lies within you. And as you leave the gym, muscles aching but spirits soaring, you know one thing for certain: you'll be back for more. Because circuit training isn't just a workout, it's a journey of self-discovery, a testament to the power of the human spirit. And you, my friend, are ready to conquer it all.